Welcome back to Binary Defender. Today, we're diving into the Link Aggregation Control Protocol, or LACP. Defined by IEEE 802.3 AD, LACP allows us to bundle multiple physical Ethernet links into one logical channel. This increases your bandwidth and provides critical redundancy without needing expensive hardware upgrades. Before we code, remember the rules. LACP uses active and passive modes. In active mode, the port actively starts negotiations. In passive mode, it just waits for the neighbor. At least one side must be active for the bundle to form. We also use system and port priorities to decide which links take the lead. Let's get into the script. On the Cisco ME 1200, we start in global configuration. We enter the controller NAD mode and then step into the specific provision last port type submode. This is where the magic happens for the ME 1200 series. First, we set our global parameters. We enable the LACP state and set a system priority. The valid range is 1 to 65535, with 32768 being the default. Use the review command to double-check your work before hitting commit to send the config to the NID. Audio. Now for the ports. We assign a key. This is your channel group ID. We tell the port to be active, and we can set the timeout to fast so it sends BPDUs every second for quicker failure detection. Note that while the system handles keys 0 to 65535, the ME 1200 controller supports physical ports 1 through. Finally, verify your connection. Use showLacpNeighbors to see your partner's ID and port. If things aren't working, check showLacpStats to see if frames are actually being transmitted or if there are illegal packets. This ensures your binary defense is solid. That's how you bundle links like a pro on the ME 1200. If this helped your network, hit that like button. Stay secure, stay connected. This is Binary Defender, signing off.